I've been using the Copper mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. Copper is a mobile app that allows users to earn money and gift cards by completing various activities such as surveys, playing games, and scanning receipts. The app is designed to provide a fun and engaging way to earn rewards during your free time. One of the standout features of Copper is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for users of all ages. Additionally, users have reported positive experiences, with some mentioning that they have earned substantial rewards through consistent use. However, it's important to note that some users have also encountered issues with the app's performance. For instance, a user on Twitter mentioned that there's an issue with the app, and it has been tested across different devices, but still the app is running extremely slow. In terms of security, Copper is designed with user privacy in mind. However, as with any app that requires personal information, it's advisable to review the privacy policy and ensure you're comfortable with the data sharing practices. Overall, Copper offers a unique platform for earning rewards through everyday activities, especially for those looking to make the most of their free time. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.